Hey y'all, Flirting on the Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. It's a 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500, sitting on some a little bit older 18x9 motor metals and 285/65s. Let's go.
Roll through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black. Got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom offsets, team chances, the team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, so like I said, 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500. Now this one has a 3.5-inch rough country kit in it. So this is the one that gives you the spacer up top, which is the puck, and then the puck diff drop, as well as the new arms here to correct all your angles, so you can run this wheel and tire setup. So what this is, this is a 18x9 -12 Moto metal. This is the 951. So this is a little bit older style, came out about 5 or 6 years ago, but you can still pick these up on the website. So you can see it's a gloss black finish, and they have this machined kind of accent just on the lip of the wheel, and then also these kind of like a rivet style around the outside as well, and then the chrome center caps. These are exposed lug nuts, so you can run the spikes on there if you want to. For tires, you run the Nitto Trail Grappler, so this is their MT. This is a 285/65, so that's about 32.6 tall, and then it's just shy of 12 wide, so a little easier to fit on here without doing a crap ton of trimming. But you can see up front, there's two options to do when it comes to trimming up here. So he took this and cut out the inner liner, and then the washer bottle is right here. So you just cut that up to about there and then went back down to create a pocket for this tire to go into. Otherwise, you can heat this up and push it forward, and that'll give you some clearance there. And then it's just cut just a little bit on the bottom of the bumper here, just on the plastic. As far as the back, it doesn't look like there's really any trimming done, but you can see he did hit back here a little bit, so some of the liner is tore out. So you could easily correct that again by pulling this out, hitting the metal back, and then just securing the fender liner back to the rear of this inner fender here. Walking out the rest of the truck, you can see he's got the tow mirrors here, got the chrome window visors as well as some tint, chrome handles, chrome gas cap, got the antennas on there. No fitment issues out back. He does have the MBRP exhaust on here as well. And then just a couple of custom decals. He's got the camouflage Z71 with the American flag in there. Give you a peek at the inside. Pretty simple. Just got some camouflage covers, steering wheel cover, seat cover. Then we'll bring you up front to show you the last little bit here. So again, he's got the chrome bug shield, and as well as the cubes down where the fog lights would be. So we actually do sell a kit too that is like a relocation bracket, so you can pop out your stock fogs and put in the cubes. But that about wraps it up on this one. That should do it for you on your 2011 Silverado with some 18x9 motor metals and 285/65s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, go follow us on Instagram, follow us on Snapchat. You know the drill. Peace.